Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your lifter cab out of the way. Our part features a perforated plate on the front of your frame section to fit over your existing front cab mount. If you plan to keep your existing mount, remove the plate at this time. If not, remove your cab mount. Then, spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide your front frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your front frame section into place before welding the part on fully. If you removed your front cab mount, we show you how to reinstall it using the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done!